Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. We have to find out the eccentricity of a hyperbola, and the length of the latest rectum is 8. We know what the formula for the length of the latest rectum is. It is 2b squared by a. And we are given that is 8, which means b square is equal to 4a. And then we are given the length of the conjugate axis. The length of the conjugate axis is 2b. This is the transverse axis, this is the conjugate axis. This is equal to half the distance between the foci. And the two foci are located at plus minus AE. So the distance between them is 2AE. And half of that is AE, which means B is equal to AE by 2. Let's just write 2B is equal to AE. And we also know that E is equal to root of 1 plus B square by A square. So we can square this. What we get is 4 times B squared, and B squared can be written as 4A. So 4 times 4A is equal to A squared times E squared. E squared can be written as 1 plus B squared by A squared. Actually, it will be easier to solve in terms of E. So instead of this, we'll just write it as B squared, and this is B squared by A squared, and we'll write that as E square minus 1. Okay, so the equation we get is 4 times E square minus 1 is equal to E squared, which means 3E squared is equal to 4, which means E squared is 4 by 3, or E is 2 by root 3. So the answer to this question will be E is 2 by root 3, which is option 3. This completes the solutions. Thank you.